Excellent news for Mount Everest climbers. Next time there's a traffic jam on the final push to the summit, now you can pull out your smartphone and rip a FaceTime with your buds or hopefully get a few Tinder matches. China Mobile Hong Kong and Huawei have joined forces to install the world's highest 5G tower at an altitude of 21,325 feet. According to the state-run telecom giant, Huawei 5G AAU and SPN technologies have been applied near about the China-Nepal border, with its north part in Tibet. The Sun.com website reports yaks are widely used for transporting gear in the Himalayas due to their thick fur and layers of fat, as well as their oversized lungs and heart. The high-altitude beasts of burden proved instrumental to the cell phone tower's installation. According to the state-run telecom giant, Huawei's 5G AAU and SPN technologies have been applied near about the China-Nepal border, with its north part located in Zigay Prefecture of Tibet Autonomous Region, state media reports confirmed. The network is maintained by network specialists stationed 24/7 at the altitudes of 5,300 meters and above. As of April 30, on the occasion of the 60th anniversary of the summit, the Chinese mobile companies announced the deployment and installation of its 5G AAU, which they claimed, is highly integrated into a compact size, according to reports. Further, they claimed that the 5G fits particularly well for infrastructure in extreme environments such as Mount Everest. A unique network, which is standalone plus non-standalone SA plus NSA mode, connects 5G at the base stations. Meanwhile, Huawei's massive MIMO with three-dimensional narrow beams and SPN technology makes lightning speed and large bandwidth possible, as per Huawei's statement. 150-plus employees took part in the construction and maintenance of the equipment, including the upgrade of the 177 km transmission trunk line and route along Everest. 25 km of fiber optic cables were laid as part of the project. Plans for using the new technology include establishing the true height of Mount Everest, currently officially listed as 29,029 feet, Huawei officials' statement on its official site. Technology means to make the world better. The beauty of Mount Everest can be displayed via 5G high-definition video and VR experience, which also provides further insights for mountaineers, scientists and other specialists into the nature. The groundbreaking establishment on Mount Everest once again proves that 5G technology connect mankind and the Earth harmoniously. Well, world's highest peak Mount Everest and 5G tower, interesting development so far. It would help improve communication for mountaineering friends. It's no longer a dream to reach 8K live broadcasts with relatives and friends on 5G network. Subscribe, like, share our channel for more informative videos.